Digital Carnival. VidGenius AI Activity Guidebook. Objective: aligned with LSDB's vision to empower the society, this fun and educational activity empowers students in AI video creation. Activity details. Cost: free. Task: submit an application form, then create and submit a 30-second to 1-minute AI short film. Additionally, record a personal 30-second to 1-minute video introducing yourself, name, university, country, and sharing your experience and favorite moments of making the AI video. Permission: with your consent, your personal video may be used if you win a prize. Content type: participants can create videos in any genre, including but not limited to comedy, drama, action, documentary, inspirational, educational. Participants are welcome to explore various styles and their creative ideas. Film themes: we have chosen 6 themes for you to get started with. You can choose any one of the list. Robot, animals, antic, rise of a new superhero, future fashion show, animated avatar films, celebrity fun. You can also choose your own theme. Eligibility: everyone is welcome to join us. Rewards and prizes. Guaranteed rewards for everyone who successfully completes the simple activity. Exciting rewards worth ranging from £28 to £250. Lucky winners may also get our professional in digital essentials for your domain for free. Ticket to an international talk show. Free tickets to international workshops. Opportunity to be featured on our website. Certificates for selected participants. Free entry to other digital carnival activities, if any have a charge. Participation rules. Submit your AI short film to LSDB's WhatsApp number and post it on Instagram, story or post, tagging LSDB and 2 friends. Note: due to large file sizes, email submissions are not accepted. Tips and tricks to win prizes. Participants who join our WhatsApp community increase your chances by 10x of winning multiple prizes. Successful completion of your tagged friends and tagging more of their 2 friends increases your chances 10x of winning multiple prizes. Sharing in your friends' groups on any platform increases your chances 10x of winning multiple prizes. You can let us know via WhatsApp when you do so. Suggested AI tools. InVideo AI. Turn ideas into videos. AI Video Creator. InVideo AI. Nova AI. Online video editing tools, simple yet powerful. Note: we highly recommend using InVideo AI. Steps to create your dream video in minutes. Visit InVideo AI. Sign up or log in with Google. Workspace. Use the prompt box to describe your video idea in detail. Clear and specific prompts yield better results. Example prompt: create a superhero film for a superhero from Mumbai named Invizi, who can become invisible, teleport, and read minds. The video should be 30 to 45 seconds, with the first part telling the origin story and the second part showcasing his powers. Generate video. Click Generate a video and answer 3 questions about the audience type, look and feel, and platform content. Example: we chose YouTube as the platform, then press continue and let the AI work. Review and edit. Enjoy your video. If you want to make changes, click Edit to adjust the media, script, and music as needed. Replace media. To replace the video media, click on the specific media you want to change, scroll down, and type what kind of video you are looking for in the search bar. Find the appropriate video, click on it to replace, and apply changes. Upload your own media. You can also upload your own media. Show off your masterpiece. Send your video to us and share it on your Instagram story or post. Don't forget to tag 2 friends. We can't wait to see the incredible videos you come up with. Have fun creating your AI videos and enjoy the carnival experience.